All right, guys. Hey, I apologize. You're going to notice the sound is not up to date with my lips and what I'm doing in the video. I somehow lost all the audio to this, but basically, I'm telling you about this project we're doing. We're doing some parts for a Harley Davidson motorcycle, some chrome parts. We've done a bunch of these for this customer in the past, and they've held up good over the years. So he brought us some of his transmission cover and stuff like that. So what we're doing is we're sandblasting all these parts, smaller parts on the table. We've already sandblasted. Right now, I'm talking about the inner part because it is chrome. We're going to back tape all of this off so that we don't get the sand or the blasting material in there. We don't want to jeopardize that coating and have it start peeling or anything while it's on the motorcycle. So we're going to tape off the front hole there. We're going to tape off the back side to prevent us from weakening that structure. And then we're going to sandblast the face of it. And what you saw with the red Scotch Brite was actually me going over um, scuffing up the light parts, which if you've watched any of the other chrome videos, you will see. So here you're going to see us just go ahead and start masking off the backside with Gorilla Tape. This is a really, really thick, durable duct-like tape that we use on everything that we want to take to the blaster. It just holds up pretty well. So we're going to speed up this process and get to the paint application part. All right, guys. So here we've got all the parts sandblasted. We've got the edges, 90-degree angles. You can see on the top of the case here. Those sharp edges, it's really hard to sandblast. So we took the Scotch-Brite pad and we scuffed them up the best we could for paint adhesion. And now I am getting ready to mask off all these parts. Any of the mating surfaces where they bolt on to the housing, we want to tape off so that we don't have powder on. Again, we want to keep that chrome base there so that they don't have any issues with peeling or flaking down the road. So we're going to tape all those off and then get them over to the oven. We're going to outgas them and then we'll catch back up with me spraying the powder. All right, so it's time to put down the powder. As you can see, I did not wait long enough. I took the temperature, but I didn't adjust my EMS mode on my temperature gun. So it showed that they were like 145, 155, but that's because it was reflecting off the chrome base. So I messed up, but it melted right away. We usually don't spray parts this hot. So I just went ahead and sprayed them all. And then what you won't see is I actually let them cool 100% and then came back and put just a light mist coat. And I do that a lot with wheels just to make sure we get a nice smooth finish. And you'll see that in the final clip that everything came out pretty nice. We did have a issue with the main case there that I'm spraying now. And what we did is kind of similar to the back ionization. We sanded it down, got all the debris. I should have blown all these parts off, and I was in a rush that day, and I did not do it. So we sanded it back down and recoated it again, and it came out good. So they're going to get wrapped and sent off to the customer. Here is our finished product. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Thank you.